children have complex needs, and many of our families don't have support outside of the school. All of our families are very used to our school. It provides a really safe and supportive environment, including lots of knowledgeable staff using a range of augmentative communication techniques, which are again very important for our families. Lots of our families will tell us that they struggle in the holidays to take their children to different activities. They tell us some activities aren't suitable, or they're too busy for their children. Many of the time they're stuck at home. Often the parents then can't get to do other things such as shopping or housework, or even taking a shower in some circumstances. So it provides some really valuable respite, but also it means that the children can get involved in activities that absolutely suit them and they really enjoy.